guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a really fun video all about the FabFitFun Winter 2024 box. I am partnering with FabFitFun on today's video, which is super exciting because I have been a FabFitFun customer for years now. If you guys have followed me for a long time, especially on Instagram, you might remember me doing full FabFitFun unboxings on my Instagram stories, and it was super fun because I would show what I got in my box and you guys would tell me what you got in your box because it's all customizable, so it really does vary from person to person, which is exactly why I'm excited to show you guys what I picked out. Let's back up. If you've never heard of FabFitFun, basically it allows you to get a customizable box 4 times per year with 6 full-size products in all different categories from fashion, beauty, home decor, fitness, wellness, all sorts of things, which is exactly why I love it because I love a variety. I like getting a box that I feel like really completes my season in every department, and each box is valued at up to $350, which is mind-blowing. And if you are a FabFitFun member, you actually get exclusive access to a bunch of different flash sales that they have on their website because a lot of the products and brands that they include in their boxes are also available to purchase on the FabFitFun website, which is super cool because you get major discounts. And another cool feature is if for whatever reason you are not feeling your box this season, you can actually choose to swap it out for store credit too. All of these great perks are exactly why I have been a FabFitFun member for quite some time now. And if you guys are interested in signing up yourself, I of course have codes for you. I actually have 2 different codes for you depending on whether you want to be a seasonal member or an annual member. We will start with the annual subscription code, which I will put on the screen right here. It's going to be code KAYLALOVEGIFT, and this is going to get you a free gift valued at up to $200 for new annual members. I personally love being an annual member because your box ships earlier and you get first access to pick all of the products. And I can be a bit picky, so I love getting my customizations in early. But if you're not ready for the annual commitment, I do have a code for seasonal subscriptions as well, which I will put right here, which is just going to be my name, Kayla Love, and that is going to get you 20% off of your first box, making it only $55.99. All of that information will also be in the description box down below, but I'm super excited, so let's start opening this goodie box. We need like a drum roll or something. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. It makes me so excited for the holidays with the little wreath. I will say FabFitFun always has the cutest boxes. Okay, so I went ahead and laid everything out really nicely, and now we can start going through it all. So I'm going to start with this back here, which might be the thing that I am most excited about. This is a faux fur blanket from Unhide, and it is in a really pretty chocolate brown color, which is exactly why I chose it because I've been obsessed with decorating with this color this season, and I think it'll look great now, even into winter and Christmas decor. I like really don't want to mess up the packaging, but then again, I want to show you guys because this is a very nice blanket to be included in this box. It is so incredibly soft. This just makes me want to curl up and go to sleep right now. This brand is really nice too. It has their logo patch sewed on here and like a faux suede. And here is the full blanket. You can see it is a very large size blanket. And like I said, this side is like a silky faux fur. So incredibly soft. And the back of it is almost like a fleece material, which makes it extra warm, still super comfortable. And the main thing about this company is that it is faux fur. So it says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. So they want you to know there were no animals harmed in the making of this blanket. But yeah, the color is gorgeous. If any of you guys have been watching my channel lately, you know how obsessed I am with chocolate brown. So this was an immediate must-have for me. And this blanket retails for $69. So cozy. The next thing we'll talk about is a little beanie, another very, very winter themed item. I love a good beanie. My ears get very cold in the wintertime. Like if I'm outside for any length of time at all, I have to have something covering my ears. So this was a great option for me. And I really liked the sleek monochromatic design of this one. It's actually by the brand Hunter, which I mostly know them for their shoes, but apparently they make really nice beanies too. This one is very soft, super stretchy, which is great for me because I kind of have a big head. So let's put it on. I really like the patch in the front there. I think that's cute. It's super simple, but I like that because just a plain black beanie is an essential for me during winter time because you can throw it on with so many different outfits. And this one is honestly great whether you are doing like a more fashionable outfit or if you are literally just jumping in the car to drop your kids off at school or going on a walk, anything like that, this still works. And this beanie actually retails for $58. Under this option, there were a lot of really good ones, so I had a bit of trouble deciding. One of the options was from Iconic London. It was their Underglow blurring primer, and that I have really been wanting to try. So I almost got that, but I was like, no, I feel like the beanie will be a little bit more practical for winter time. And they also had this beautiful emerald colored silk sleep mask. That was another one I was trying to decide between, but I think I'm happy with my choice. It's really cute. For option number 3, we have a beauty item, and I will admit I definitely lean a lot towards the beauty items in the FabFitFun customizations just because I'm a beauty lover at heart, and they have some really amazing brands included like Dibs. Dibs is like the hot beauty brand right now. I just want to try every single thing that they come out with. I have tried a lot of their products, and I actually do already own one of their glosses in like a champagne nude color, but this one is in the shade Effortless Pink, and I do love a good pink lip gloss, so this was a great choice. And the thing about beauty products is I know I will use them, especially lip glosses. Like no matter what, this will definitely be something that I apply all the time, throw it in my bag, apply it on the go, take it to work, on a trip, whatever it may be. This is like a great everyday color, and I do really love the Dibs lip gloss formula, so I'll go ahead and swatch it for you. Like I said, this is Effortless Pink. That is so pretty. It really is like the perfect shade of pink for every skin tone. I might just have to apply this now. Immediately love this choice. Perfect. So this was just one of those things where immediately I saw the brand and I was like, yes, please. And this retails for $24. This next item might be one of my favorites in the entire box. I feel like I'm saying that about everything, but truly, I think this and the blanket are my top 2 out of my winter 2024 box. These are the Lemme Glow Hair, Skin, and Nails Gummies. So if you have not heard of the Lemme brand, it is by Kourtney Kardashian. Once again, another hot, popular brand right now. I could not believe that it was included in one of the FabFitFun choices. I think they also had Lemme Curb, which is supposed to curb any cravings you have when it comes to food. So that's pretty cool, but I opted for Lemme Glow because I've really been wanting to start taking hair, skin, and nails vitamins. I just really want my hair to grow. I want my nails to be stronger. My nails are so weak, so I'm hoping this helps. It comes with 60 gummies, and this is a biotin and collagen with pro-retinol formula, which I thought was a little bit unique, at least compared to any hair, skin, and nails vitamins I've ever taken. So you're supposed to take 2 of these a day, so this will give you a month's supply, and they're peach flavored. And these retail for $30. There was also a cool safety alarm under this option, which I think would be a great idea for any girls living alone, or maybe you have to walk alone at night after getting off of work or anything like that. I just think those are so handy. Next up, we have a little fashion item, and this is a cute little trendy bow for your hair. So this little bow is by the brand We Wore What, which is actually another really popular fashionable brand. But I really liked how dramatic this bow is. It's very long, which is a lot different than the bows that I already have, and especially with me having extensions in and longer hair, I thought this one would look really nice. And I do love a good bow moment, especially in the winter time. I find that I don't really do my hair pulled back like that in the spring and summer months for whatever reason, but in winter time I'm feeling cutesy. I'm feeling very into the holiday vibes, and it just makes me want to do different hairstyles. So I just like pulling my hair back a little bit and then securing it with a little bow like this, and it just adds such a cute accessory to your outfit. And this is just like a sheer black bow, so it'll go with a lot of different outfits. And like I said, it's very dramatic and layered up top, so it looks very high end, and it just has a simple clip to be able to get it on. And this one retails for $18. And lastly, we have another beauty product, and this one is from Tower 28, which is one of my favorite beauty brands. This is the Juice Balm bundle, so another lip product, but you get 2 in this option. So you get a nude color in the shade Mix and a pink color in the shade Shake. And I think these are just kind of like good everyday lip products that you can apply without even thinking about it. So unlike a lipstick where you have to be very careful about where you put it, these are just going to be kind of in between a lip balm and a lip gloss. Here is what it looks like when you open it, and this is the shade Mix, which is going to be your neutral option. Very pigmented, and it feels great on my skin. And then here is the shade Shake, which is going to be the pink one. So you can see these are a little bit more sheer, like I said, in between a lip balm and a lip gloss with a little bit of pigment, but still something that's easy to apply and that actually hydrates your lips. And this little duo retails for $32. They also had the Tower 28 Make Waves mascara as an option, and that has been like one of my favorite mascaras lately. I picked it up a few months ago, and I love the way that it just lengthens my lashes, and it's very easy to use. So if you are customizing your winter box and you see that one, just know I highly recommend it. And that is it for my winter 2024 FabFitFun box. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing unboxing video. Don't forget to check out FabFitFun, and if you guys are interested, be sure to use the codes that I mentioned, whether you want to go with an annual subscription or a seasonal subscription. Either way, it's a great option and you can try it out, and I hope that you guys love it just as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you will stick around and subscribe, and if so, I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye!